Welcome friends, my name is Ranvir Abhay Sanjay, studying in B.SC second year in Adarsh College Hingoli. Today we see method for finding solution of linear differential equation. First we know that what is linear differential equation. The equation in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q are known as linear differential equation, where p and q are function of x or constant. Now we see solution of linear differential equations. Let dy by dx plus py is equal to q considered as equation number first, where p and q are a function of x or constant. Consider the equation dy by dx plus py is equal to 0. Then dy by dx is equal to minus py. Then dy by y is equal to minus p dx. Now integrating both sides, we get log y is equal to integration of minus p dx plus log c. Then log y by c is equal to integration of minus p dx. Now we take exponential on both sides. Then we get y by c is equal to e raised to minus integration of p dx. Then y is equal to c into e raised to minus integration of p dx. Consider as equation number second. Now we take derivative of y into e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to dy into e raised to integration of p dx plus y into e raised to integration of p dx into p dx. Now we take e raised to integration of p dx common. Then we get e raised to integration of p dx in bracket dy plus py into dx. Now divide by dx on both sides. Then we get e raised to integration of p dx in bracket dy by dx plus py. Now multiply equation first by e raised to integration of p dx. Then we get e raised to integration of p dx in bracket dy by dx plus py bracket close is equal to q into e raised to integration of p dx. We already see that the derivative of y into e raised to integration of p dx, which is equal to e raised to integration of p dx in bracket dy by dx plus py bracket close. Then we substitute the values. Then we get derivative of y into e raised to integration of p dx bracket close is equal to q into e raised to integration of p dx. Now taking integration on both sides, we get y into e raised to integration of p dx is equal to integration of q into e raised to integration of p dx. This is the solution of linear differential equation. Now we see problem on this topic. Problem first, solve dy by dx plus xy is equal to x. Now we see answer. Compare equation with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here p is equal to x and q is equal to x. Now integration of p dx is equal to integration of x into dx is equal to x square by 2. Now put value in the equation. Y into e raised to integration of p dx is equal to integration of q into e raised to integration of p dx. We get y into e raised to x square by 2 is equal to integration of x into e raised to x square by 2 dx plus c. Put x square by 2 is equal to t. Take derivative on both sides. We get 2x into dx divided by 2 is equal to dt. 2 get cancelled. Then we get x into dx is equal to dt. Then equation will be y into e raised to t is equal to integration of e raised to t into dt plus c. Then y into e raised to t is equal to e raised to t plus c, where integration of e raised to t is e raised to t. Then y is equal to 1 plus c into e raised to minus t, but t is equal to x square by 2. Now put the value of t. Then y is equal to 1 plus c into e raised to minus x square by 2. This is the solution of given equation. Thank you friends for watching.